Red Dragon sent me their Kumara mechanical keyboard, and this thing is really, really nice. I haven't had a mechanical keyboard in a long time. I love these things. Now, I actually just plugged it in, and it took me literally 10 seconds. I was going to say a minute, 10 seconds to configure it. Boom, my Mac recognized it right away and knew exactly what keyboard I was using. As soon as you plug it into the USB, it is a wired keyboard, by the way, which is great for gaming because you don't want that latency, right? So super, super low latency. And you could see the LED right there are all turned on. So we've got the red, the purple, and I mean, it is made for gaming. As you can see, hopefully you can actually see a lot of the keys, the different keys there. Really, really cool. And as you can see up here, you even have your ASD, your WASD that actually have little arrows, which is like the classic stuff. I want to show you at the top down. So of course you can see the colors here, the LED. Look at the thickness. It is a very nice keyboard to actually work with and to play with. I'm going to unplug it so you can actually, so I'm not going to mess with the, because it does come with, like I said, it is wired in with the USB-A, but the feel of it is so tactile. It's so incredible. It's so easy. And the keys, the spacing of the keys, it's so easy to touch and to maneuver and to go around it. I love that. And the really cool thing with mechanical keyboards, as you may expect, is that they're great for gamers. They're great for people that are on their keyboards for a really, really long time. They actually give you this little tool. What is this little tool? Check this out. I could very easily pop a key out, clean it, make sure that if I've got a spill or whatever, I can clean that. Once I'm ready, look at this. I put it back in and everything is back to normal. This little tool is super, super cool because it is literally popping out keys in an instant. You clean up, you do whatever you have to do, and then you move on. Love this little keyboard. It's got some weight to it as well. It's got nice little padding, and it also has those little notches around so you can actually have it at a tilted angle as well. But yeah, it is a full-blown gaming, really focused for gamers and gaming systems. So if you're a gamer on your PC or your Mac, definitely check out this super, super cool and very useful and very cool design Red Dragon keyboard. Love mechanical keyboards. I'm so done with these things. This is where it's at.